Made in the USA isn't a marketing slogan, it's our entire business model. Since 1986, every product built by Sealevel has been made right here in Liberty, South Carolina. From concept and production to testing and support, we handle everything.
Our engineering and manufacturing teams work side by side. We can customize anything, catch issues before they happen, and get your product to you on time, even when the market's unpredictable. When it's all handled in-house, nothing gets lost in translation across oceans or time zones. While others scramble to respond to a volatile supply chain, ours is strategic and resilient. If a part becomes scarce, we design or source a backup. If your spec changes, our team is already working on a solution. We design for longevity, test for resilience, and support every product with the same people who built it. And if compliance matters, you can count on full traceability, ISO 9001 and AS 9100D certification, and real lifecycle control.
You're not just buying a product, you're gaining a partner who's invested in your success, both today and 10 years from now. If you want a single point of contact with a team that owns every detail, if you want to talk to the engineer who designed your device, and if you want long-term availability, then choose Sealevel.